Join us as we head to the beautiful Schull in West Cork for the Fastnet Film Festival. Eldon, being the cycling part of the CGT network, decided that he was going to cycle from Cork City to Schull, and it took him about 4 hours. Alling and I, being of a more sedate disposition, decided that the comfort of our Ioniq 5 would be the far more preferable way to travel, so we followed him down in comfort and style. As you can see, Schull was looking particularly beautiful. We had left it too late to get tickets for anything for Friday night, so we just went to visit some of the local establishments instead. You can imagine our surprise to see a picture of the Sinead pub in the middle of Schull. On Saturday evening, we went to see one short film in the local parish hall, or the Odeon as it was called for the weekend. It was called Wrong Number, and it was one of these psychological films that has you questioning your own mind. The piece de resistance, however, on Saturday evening was The Evil Dead Rise, a horror movie in the truest sense from Sam Raimi and Bruce Campbell, with Lee Cronin, the Irish director, where they used 6,500 litres of blood. Carnage indeed. Sunday afternoon, we went for a lovely walk through the town down to the pier, and as you can see, the water looked particularly beautiful. I would think it was probably a little bit cold though. Then we went to visit the box office, which is located in the old bank. As you can see, there were pictures up of all the celebrity guests that had been at the 2024 festival. Finally, we went to the Closet Cinema, which showed a beautiful animated film called Bird Drone. It only has 3 seats, so it was a very exclusive screening. The final film we saw was That They May Face the Rising Sun, a beautiful slow-moving Irish movie that was to be shown outside, but due to the weather had to be shown in the parish hall. It was absolutely gorgeous.